Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thanks.
And really cool.
Take what you have and leave your skin on the sofa. Don't you shy away. Like a song you nobody's ever heard. When I see it, when you shy away. Searching for that feeling, just like an I love you. Missing word. Like a song you nobody's ever help me change my fate. Took a monster out on tour just for the world to know my face. 56 nights straight, I go in beast mode for a pay. It's a reservation. Marathon in a race. So I'm really you ain't one if you can't.
What the fuck is this guy doing? What the fuck? Yo!
Teach you all the sounds of love. Flower bomb. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. I'm trying detonation. No disrespecting, baby.
Fucking
Just
dumbass.
smile. Try to keep my spirits up.
Dumbass. Dumbass.
Smile. Try to keep my spirits up.
Dumbass.
Down. Try to keep your spirits
Stupid
up.
fuck.
Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever. Took it dressed. Why the fuck you bleeding for? Y'all get it? Okay. Yeah, I'm the voice for the ones who can't articulate it. Negative thoughts, I can help you all eliminate it.
What the fuck you doing, idiot?
Doesn't work, I'll be funny.
Dumbass.
Those are the people most intimidated. Sell my pain and catch
Fucking idiot.
Feel like I'm already in this game, sacrificing my brain. I got friends who be jealous and lying, saying I changed. Just so for the moment, they feel bigger than me again. Claiming I'm a mystic, saying that I'm sadistic. Saying all my confidence is wicked. Nicholas, try and keep it humble, try and keep it realistic. Framing it as advice, bullshit, I must have missed it. In the flow, got a clip extension. Fuck around and put you in a fifth dimension. Surpass what I used to be, tried on, trying to poke holes in my body like the kid was fencing.
How many buyers do you have?
7. We would have had more, but 2 of them backed out. They didn't want it anymore.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah. Yep. Here's my license. Which I'm cool with. Registration. Come on, please just write a warning. That doesn't take long. Yeah.
Here's what I'm going to do for you. I'm just going to rate you doing 6 over instead of 35 over the speed limit.
Okay.
I'm going to help you out here, alright?
Alright.
The bottom explains how to respond. You're through the website or you can cross the bottom portion of your food.
Okay. Alright.
Be careful pulling out. Have a safe trip,
Alright, thank you. You too.
Go bike.
I'm at 167.
167.
Yeah, 167.
Take the next right onto Linden Road. Continue on Linden Road for 3/4 of a mile. In a 1/4 mile, turn left onto Thomas Road. Take the next left onto Thomas Road. Continue on Thomas Road for 2 miles.
Yeah, I don't know why the hell he stopped me. No? So slow. What the hell did I do now?
Yeah.
What's up, buddy? Trooper Jersey with the state police.
Hello.
How many people you got in there?
Just my wife.
Hi.
Okay, hello.
Oh, here, let me.
All right,
problem?
so two things, all right?
Okay.
I kind of let you go on that first stop sign back there, okay? You just blew through that one right there. Where are you coming from?
We were coming from Philly.
Philly?
Yeah,
Like
Yeah,
Philly what?
Philadelphia, Norristown. We live in McMurray,
Okay.
so we're like 10 minutes away.
Okay. All right. We're at in Philly.
Norristown?
Okay. Have you got family out there or whatever?
Yeah, we visited my mom.
Okay. Why are you sitting in the back seat?
She got tired. It was a long ride.
Okay. All right. You have your license, registration,
Yep.
insurance, and everything on you?
Yeah.
Sir, what happened?
Yeah,
Sorry.
because
You ran 2 stop signs.
2 stop signs.
Yeah. You had anything to drink tonight, buddy?
No,
Okay.
I'm just tired. Like I said, it's a 5-hour long drive.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, so.
Do you have an eye condition by chance?
Well, I
The
have
only reason I'm
glasses.
asking is like your left eye looks a little droopy.
Oh.
Is it a medical condition or
Yeah,
something
it's
like that?
it's like that. I got crooked eyes, so.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So the reason why I'm asking that, when we do anything for DUI, it is with your eyes. That's the reason why I'm trying to discern whether, I need to put you out for SFSTs, which are field sobriety tests, or letting you go home. But I don't smell anything on you, so.
Yeah.
But that's why I wasn't trying to be ignorant or try to be disrespectful. The eye conditions are one of the tests too.
Okay.
And it's normally an indicator of whether you've been on drugs or alcohol.
Okay.
That's why I asked the question. So. Okay.
All right.
Do me a favor, sit tight. Is this your updated address and all that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. 16 Washington. Can you run 27 for me?
Stop.
If you're still not working. It's going to be a PA license. 32008
Yeah, it's on the dash cam.
It should come back to Christian Perez, 723 and 94. Do you have insurance on?
Yeah, we got it right here. Yeah, we're just trying to get home. Like I said, it's a 5-hour long drive.
Yeah, no, I understand.
It's really tiring, and it's like.
Do you even notice me back there at all?
I mean, you were tailing me pretty close. I noticed that.
But did you notice it was a cop at all?
No, I didn't know who it was. It was just I was like looking at my rear view mirror.
Okay.
I'm like, why is this guy so close to me? So.
Yeah, that was after you kind of rolled the first stop sign over, and it's like 10 minutes from the end of my shift, so I was kind of gonna let that slide, and then you just blew through the stop sign right there. So. All right, you're good on that.
Okay.
Just sit tight for me for a second. I'll be back with you shortly, okay?
All right. I have it on dash cam. We'll view it in the dash cam. What the fuck? Seriously?
Not funny anymore. I think I'll just take the bus home then.
I didn't do anything. I was going freaking slow as hell. We'll check the dash cam, like I said. I know I stopped.
Can you check right now?
Well, it's still rolling, babe. It's important because if something happens, at least I have it recording.
All right, Christian. So here's your stuff back. So I understand you're coming from a long trip, and I get it, but it's a little bit later at night, and this is like that's how people get killed. You know what I mean? Like,
All right.
So what's going to happen is citations are going to be filed. They'll get sent to your address. It's going to be for the stop signs, and then you got to update all your stuff on there because you're.
Is it not updated?
No, it's not. You got to update that with PennDOT too. So it's still valid and current, so you're good, but it's just not updated. So you'll get those in the mail. If you have any questions, magistrate's information is listed at the top. Their phone number is going to be there.
Okay.
Give him a call. He's over here. You know where Heisler's Market is? You know,
no. Is it in
Peters Township Police Department?
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's right across from there. So you'll get those in the mail. Make sure you respond accordingly. Otherwise, PennDOT will suspend your license.
Okay.
If you fail to respond, and that's within like 10 days. So that's not like a me thing. That's PennDOT. Once you get tickets, if you don't respond, then they do that automatically.
Okay.
Just do me a favor. Drive safe. It's late at night and people are just trying to get home. I know you are trying to get home, but blowing a stop sign or blowing, a traffic light like that, like it's how crashes happen. People get hurt. It's a holiday weekend. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me, sir?
I do not. So, it's coming in the mail, right?
Correct. Yes,
how
sir.
many days does it usually take?
It depends on how backed up they are. It's normally like a 10 days to 2 weeks type thing, but if there's a backlog at the magistrates, they go from 1 to 1,000. If there's that many tickets in one weekend or whatever, they just go in order and they send them out accordingly. So it might take a little bit longer for you to get it, but look for it in the mail. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Like I said, just drive safe and get everybody home in one piece.
Rev it. Thanks.